Hello, Agent Samson. Yes, the new tenant, yes. I'm already at the house. And where are you? Not far away. Oh, that's good. I'm waiting for you. I'm supposed to get the key, exactly. You know why I call the key. You'll be here very soon? All right. I'll be waiting for you at the gate. I'm waiting for you. Okay, that's good.
Okay, Mecca. I bet no verse on me.
Oh, wow.
No verse on me.
Problem.
Now, don't show there they come from Africa.
Wow.
I give people 2 houses.
Wow.
2-bedroom flat and 1 big house. See,
Wow, that's
I'm
nice.
the superstar of agents.
Wow.
They call me whiskey of houses.
That's nice.
And the best thing you do, Makachuku, say you pay for this house.
Wow, that's
Because 2 people don't come. We say no. I say no because of you. You know what I be? I say not because of you. Because I won't give you this house because we get everything. We get light 24 hours. If I like, make us sleep. We get water.
Wow.
We get soak away 4 in case you like the shit.
Okay.
So everything is suited in this house. My brother, welcome.
Thank you very much.
I beg, as I give you a house.
No, Wahala.
Defend me, Biko.
No problem.
Now what can I look for?
I'll do that. I'll do that.
Thank you and welcome to your new house.
Thank you very much.
Where the key? Sorry, no.
Okay.
No. Chilos. I don't know, sir. Okay, this is your key. Welcome.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Okay. Let me go.
This is your bag. Let's say go call, sir.
Okay.
Hi.
I understand, sir. I know how it goes, Mr. Konde. I've been trying to explain myself every time. I will always take care of business. I will always take care of business. Jesus. No, sorry, sir. Please give me a minute. I'll call you back, sir. Yes, I'll call you back, sir. Who they dated this car? Why all this patch for this car? But I pay for people to wash this car. Why all these scratches everywhere? They don't have cars in this compound, so you won't even know how to maintain someone's own. Why are they even live with humans? Why are they live with people for this compound? Why am I living with people? Why?
Good morning.
Did I say good morning to you? And you are who?
I'm the new tenant here. I packed in a few days ago.
And I'm the new principality fashion against all of you in this compound. You packed in. I hope you are not squatting.
No, I'm not squatting. I actually paid 2 years rent, so I'm trying to get to know my neighbors.
Excuse me, and who told you I'm your neighbor?
Well, I saw your car parked here, and on my way out, we were complaining.
You seem to know everything right now, and you've been how long in this compound again?
No, just a couple of days, but I'm still trying to get to know everyone.
Okay,
since
I love it when people try to know things.
Okay.
I'm sure you must have heard about me because they will brief you.
Well, I hope to get to know you on a personal basis.
So, since you are the
new tenant here.
Whatever you call yourself, I hope you're not a charity case here.
No.
So this is where I park my car. This is one of my cars.
Okay.
Yes, and you see the other side where we have flowers, the white part of the building. That's where I live.
Okay.
So do well to stay away from that corner.
Okay, I'm a gentleman actually, and I like to be at peace with my neighbors.
I like that. I like that you like to be at peace.
Yes.
Yeah, because you don't have any other choice. Yes.
Exactly. No, I actually I'm a research analyst with one of the top 5 firms in Nigeria.
You love to talk.
Yes, I love to talk, but in the end, when I talk, I hope to.
You can talk to me.
Okay.
Yes, you only speak when I speak to you.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's your story.
I try to.
That's your story. Keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. All right? Okay. So please stay away from anything that has to do with me. And I'm sure they will tell you, they'll brief you about me.
Okay.
Yeah, because they talk all the time, so they will tell you. And I thought you were going somewhere.
Yeah, I was going somewhere.
Then run along.
I like you because you are blunt. I hope.
Sorry, excuse me, you do what?
I like people who are blunt. They are always, their integrity is top notch.
I thought you were going somewhere.
Truthful. So
they go somewhere.
Yes, I'm going somewhere.
So run along.
Okay.
Yeah, stupid. You can go now. So who are the... Jesus Christ. Oh, no, I can't take this anymore. I have to look for a parking space. Just over.
Oh God, when once people said that is what is meaning. I'm still be disturbing somebody all the time.
Hello, how you doing?
Hi.
Yes, I'm Mr. Onyememe, the new tenant in the house. How are you doing?
Good afternoon. Welcome, sir.
Yeah, thanks a lot. I'm a financial research analyst with one of the biggest firms here in Nigeria. A gentleman who I am, I love to know my neighbors. I have known a lot of them, but I'm just seeing you for the first time. Who are you?
Oh, so my name is Sarah.
Okay.
I don't know by now you'd have heard that the landlord has a daughter.
Oh,
I know it's my daddy that has all this place.
Wow, that's
so together
nice.
we just have everything.
Yeah, that's nice. You have a very nice place. Since I
Thank
packed in
you.
here, I've been enjoying myself.
Thank
I've
you.
met lots of neighbors. They've been very nice. I hope you're nice too.
Don't worry.
Oh.
And now you talked about something. You
Okay.
talked about the fact that you are this like research, all those things.
yes.
You sound like a believer. Do you know Master Jesus?
Yes, I know Jesus Christ as my personal Lord and Savior, but I don't always go to church.
Oh, wow.
But whenever I get the chance to fellowship with the children of God, I usually go.
You know what?
Okay.
We're having something in church.
Let's have it. Let's have
It's a
it.
youth gathering.
Let's have it.
I don't know if you've heard about the Holy Land and Water Sound Ministry.
Wow.
That's where we used to go.
Sounds like a nice church.
Yes, sir. You know that scripture, that place that the Bible says, and Moses, that God did not allow Moses to stand, that he should remove his shoes.
On the holy ground.
The whole-
Wow.
God, that's where
nice.
my pastor is so prophetic. So please, I would try. Where did you say?
I stay
like,
upstairs.
Near that auntie that has not given her life to Christ. Those ones.
Which auntie?
Don't worry, you just came to the compound.
No, but I hope the timing of the program will fit my schedule because I close late from work.
What
I'm a very busy man.
Don't worry, I'll come and knock.
You come and knock and let me
come
know.
and
Okay,
knock
I'll be
and let
expecting
you.
you. Okay, Sarah,
No
take care of
problem.
yourself. Eh?
Oh,
No,
yeah,
don't
Mimi.
worry, I'm a gentleman. You can't.
Don't worry.
Okay.
I'll close the door.
All right,
Don't worry.
Take care of yourself.
Yes,
eh?
please.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Hello, bro.
Yeah, how are you doing?
Fine, no, good afternoon.
Yeah, you must be one of my neighbors.
Yes, that's what he is. You know,
nice,
yes,
nice to
Lord.
meet you.
Hey, I said, I know you can't do introduction. I know you don't know me because you are just back home. So I am doing introduction. My name is Itoro Basiapanasoko.
Wow.
BSc in English language, BSc Oceanography from Cambridge in Australia.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
I'm a graduate.
Of course, I know, I can tell.
Yes, so, what's your name?
And my name is Mr. Onyememe.
Okay,
Yes.
Mr.
Onyememe.
Oh, yeah, Meme.
Yeah.
Very beautiful name.
Oh,
I
thanks
love
a
it, dome. So, since we have done introduction now,
Okay.
I was there downstairs.
Oh.
I wash cloth. So I said, let me come and see you. Maybe you have this thing, cloth that you want to wash.
Oh.
Now come help you and wash it.
Oh, that's very thoughtful of you. I have some clothes, but I hope it will not stress you.
No, don't stress me.
Yes,
That's
sure.
no problem. I'm a very nice person. It's what I do for
that's
this.
nice.
The compound. If you ask everywhere,
Yeah.
Itoro, very nice girl. That me.
That's nice.
Yes, so.
Let me get some clothes now.
No,
Let's see how you
I
can
am
help me
wait,
wash them
I am
out.
wait.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. I hope this will not be too much for
No,
you.
it's not to they all.
There's not.
You have another
No,
clothing.
this-
set.
just this one.
Okay,
Just
I'm
this
going
one.
to wash it. Iron it.
Okay.
Do small perfume and I
Yeah.
bring come.
Oh, thanks. That's very
my
nice. of you.
brother.
That's so
Okay,
very
yours
nice.
is your muscle.
I don't mind. I don't mind.
I will bring it up.
Okay, no
Thank
problem.
you.
Thanks a lot,
You're
Itoro.
a fine man.
Thanks a lot. Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Sunday Maria, they not make me fall in love. Fall in love, oh, fall in love. This Sunday Maria, they not make me fall in love. Ay, fall in love, oh, fall in love.
Itoro, how dare you pass and not even say hello to me this morning? What's the problem? I am the love of your life in this compound, though, Itoro. Itoro, you know I love you. Why you always doing me like this?
This Sunday Maria, they
Itoro, it's not your fault.
fall in
It's because I've not leveled up in life. But I promise you, I will level up in life.
love, oh.
I will level up in life. In fact, let me even play this one place. Star 347, star 880, star 2 hash. I wonder why someone like me, a responsible man like me, will be playing this. Well, do I have a choice in the country? That's why. Itoro. Itoro. This up that you are going, you will see the end. Except I am not too forced or binable.
One day in the sing crazy and dance hallelujah. On in the renda do you my Lord. On in the renda.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
I mean, I find that brother we dey stay for you.
Which brother?
You don't know him, baby.
Baby.
Yeah, only me.
Oh.
That very tall, that handsome man.
Who you be?
So you don't know me? No problem, you're a visitor, so I won't talk so much. My name is Itoro Batakwanasoko. BSc in English language, BSc Oceanography from Cambridge in Australia. So now you know me, go and call him.
Darling, who is at the door?
Thank you.
Baby, you have somebody here.
Oh, Itoro, it's you.
Hey,
Wow.
see your monster.
Oh, you brought the food.
Yes, so I bring you to but this auntie day here. See, so you know they ask me young question. I say maybe we go call you. Thank God, see you don't come outside now.
Okay. I didn't tell you earlier. She's my wife. She was not around for a while. She's into agricultural sales. She just comes around on the weekend.
Hold on.
Okay.
She your what?
My wife.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
Honey, this she's one of the neighbors I've been telling you
Wait,
about.
hold on.
They've been taking care of me.
You say she your waiting.
She's my wife.
She your wife.
Yes. She's not been around. You know, she's into agricultural sales. She comes around at the weekends to come and see me here.
Agriculture.
Yes, that's why she's not been around. And honey, she's one of the neighbors I've been telling you about. They've been very good to me. And they've been bringing food. They've helped me settle down in the compound very well.
Oh,
Yes.
Thank you, You're welcome.
Thank you.
God
bless you for me.
Take your mouth back. Thank you.
God bless you.
That's what we do.
Thank you. Thank you.
And the next person, Kongwaso.
Thanks, Shana. Very nice music.
And you Kongwaso.
Yes.
Thank you.
The food now, you bring food for us. Okay now.
Why
The
you
food.
come out here?
When the food now, you bring food for us.
You be like say una won't die for this house. Rubbish and ingredient.
Die care.
Oh, I take it. That is
I no can't even understand at all.
I was such a
wow.
original mumu. Then suppose give me certificates, my mumu too much. I was such a mumu, ogonge mumu. Then suppose give me certificates, my mumu too much. I am a mumu.
Itoro, what happened to you? Itoro, what happened to you? Talk to me.
That my brother.
That lieutenant, what did he do?
That what I go and wash clothes for.
Oh, was that his clothes you were carrying, mana? Oh my God.
Let me even tell you. I cook food. I don't sweep for them. I don't even help and they do something. You know, say that brother don't get white.
Men are scum. Wicked people.
Men is come.
You know what men can do?
Then suppose give me
It
certificates,
touch me.
I'm touched, Itoro, my love. You don't believe men.
And that's why I dress like this, so he didn't believe
I
it.
see how stressy you look.
See my bed, he not fine.
Men is scum. Men is Eat meat.
My children.
Sorry, my love. Oh God, Itoro, my love.
such a
Give me meat. Let me cry when we have.
original mumu. Then suppose give me certificates, my mumu too much. I was such
Men
a
are scum.
ogonge mumu. Then suppose give me certificates, my mumu.